Good afternoon and welcome back to Amethyst Adventure. On this channel, you're going to find decor, decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, tablescapes, cooking, you name it, I do it. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love it if you go ahead and click on that subscribe button and double tap the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in today's video, I will be participating in another open collab. This one is called Exclusive Christmas Decor, and we are still celebrating Christmas in July. This collab is hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Phyllis at JRC Restoration Decor and Design, the Rodgers House, Sandy at Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Melissa at Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, A Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, this is their season finale, and this is the last opportunity that I will have until the Christmas season to give you a preview of what Christmas decorating looks like in my home. Merry Christmas in July, everyone. And I hope you enjoy what I've put together for you today. And I truly hope that it gives you inspiration to create some beautiful tablescapes, DIYs, and decor in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, for my last tablescape for today, I started off with this purple bling table runner, and I used two of the matching placemats. I kept in place the glitter Dollar Tree coasters, and I'm just going to turn those at a diagonal. And I'm going to add back in the silver bling charger. I'm going to use my purple place setting. I will use the purple bowl to the set. Yes. To that, I have these champagne flutes that I got from I got these from Ross's some time ago, and I like the glitter base that it has, and it goes nicely with what I'm doing here today. To that, I'm going to add the silver glitter candlesticks that were also a thrift find, and I got these for 99 cents in the Christmas in July sale. I also have our purple feathered Christmas tree, which was a DIY. I think on this table I would like a tray. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this tray, mirrored tray, which was also a DIY, and I'll link that down below. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can place this in the middle. Like that. And then I'll bring in some additional candles that I'm going to light. I then have some napkin rings, and these I got from Totally Dazzled, and I'll link those down below. And I'm going to take them and layer them once again. I'll do the purple on the outside. And with that Totally Dazzled napkin ring. And I think that this could use a floral as well. Okay. Okay, and here is the final look. Let me bring you in for a closer view.